How to set up, use, and maintain the RYOBI 18-volt 1+ HP SWIFTClean mid-size spot cleaner. Included in the box is the SWIFTClean 6-ounce bottle of RYOBI Oxy Cleaning Concentrate, 7-inch wide path nozzle, brush insert, rubber insert, hose rinse tool, and crevice tool. First, let's get your SWIFTClean set up and ready to use. Begin by lifting the handle and remove the solution tank from the unit. Unscrew the blue top. Next, for a small cleaning area, fill the tank with warm water to the half tank line and pour in 2 full caps of Oxy concentrate solution. For a larger cleaning area, fill the tank with warm water to the full tank line and pour in 4 full caps of Oxy concentrate solution. Larger cleaning areas may require multiple solution tanks. Be sure to only use RYOBI Oxy cleaning solution in your SWIFTClean. Then, screw the lid back on the solution tank and place it on the unit. You'll know it's secure and ready to use when you hear it click into place. Lastly, insert any RYOBI 18-volt 1+ battery. Now that your SWIFTClean is set up, let's put it to use. You'll want to begin by choosing the best accessory for your cleaning application. The crevice tool accessory is perfect for detail cleaning in tight spaces. The 7-inch wide path nozzle is ideal for cleaning large stains and comes with 2 inserts. The brush insert is ideal for quick cleanups, while the rubber insert is ideal for tough stains. Click the desired accessory onto the hose. Turn on the unit to get started. For a fresh spill, begin by pulling the nozzle over the spill to pick up any existing liquid. For best results, go over the spill in multiple passes and multiple directions to extract as much liquid as possible. Next, press the trigger on the handle to spray the Oxy solution onto the area you're cleaning. Move the brushes back and forth in multiple directions to agitate the area and ensure the solution is worked into the fibers. Press the nozzle into the surface and pull towards you at a slight angle. This will activate the SWIFTClean's powerful suction to lift the stain and solution out of the fabric you're cleaning. Repeat these steps as needed to remove the stain. For a dried stain, begin by spraying the Oxy solution onto your surface and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. Repeat the previous steps to agitate and extract the stain and solution out of the fabric you're cleaning. Follow these steps when using the crevice tool by spraying, scrubbing, and extracting the solution out of the fabric you're cleaning. For best results, let your surface air dry completely. Be sure to empty the dirty tank when it hits the max fill line. To empty the dirty tank, turn off the tool and slide the release to the unlock position and tilt the tank to remove. Lift the black cover off of the tank by holding onto the tabs on the side. Once empty, tilt the tank to place it back onto the unit. Lastly, it's time to clean your SWIFTClean. For best performance, clean your SWIFTClean after each use. Start by placing the hose rinse tool onto the hose. Turn on the SWIFTClean and using one hand, hold the hose rinse tool onto the hose and using your other hand, press the trigger to activate the tool's self-cleaning capability. This feature allows you to run cleaning solution and water through the hose, rinsing it of any leftover debris. Don't remove your hand from the hose rinse tool while cleaning the hose. Now that your hose is cleaned out, turn off the SWIFTClean, remove the battery, tanks, and accessories. All clear components are top rack dishwasher safe, but we recommend the solution tank just needs a quick rinse after use. Let all components of your SWIFTClean dry completely before placing back on the unit's convenient onboard storage feature. For best results, follow these guidelines for setting up, using, and cleaning your RYOBI 18-volt 1+ HP SWIFTClean mid-size spot cleaner. Additional accessories such as a 4-inch 3-piece accessory kit, replacement accessories, and RYOBI Oxy cleaning formulas can be found at Home Depot and HomeDepot.com. Have additional questions? Call RYOBI customer service at 1-800-525-2579.